I'm Kavya Sabareesh, a daughter, a wife, a mother, and an entrepreneur.
We started this chemical industry way back in 1986 as a small enterprise.
Varam Group is consisting of 4 companies in different geographical locations. But the initial challenges for me was I did not get data on a real-time basis, and data is spread everywhere. But we needed to track the data real-time to actually see and understand what's going on. That is when introduction of GST gave a breather for us. And that is when we also got to know about Zoho Books through the media. So we thought, why not just give it a try? We started off using Zoho Books a year and a half back for our trading unit in Chennai. It worked wonders. It was a beautiful software. So then we thought, why not adapt it for our other manufacturing units located at different places?
In spite of having offices in different locations, it is very easy to do internal audit and preparing of financials.
One of the major advantages I find in using Zoho Books is the real-time tracking of data and the banking module where the bank feeds come in directly and the reconciliations happen automatically.
Even though Zoho Books looks simple, it has powerful workflow automation features. One such example is the automation of emails to customers, which makes follow-up by the management much easy.
Since my job involves traveling, Zoho Books helps me to view the details of my customers, like the purchases they've made and the payments they've made, on the move without interacting with my office.
And the most important thing being the beautiful dashboard which it creates for all customers and vendors. In one page, I can actually see what transactions have happened with them, what is the payables or receivables from them, and what goods they have traded in. This has helped me in a major challenge I have as an entrepreneur in business. And most importantly, I as a mother and an entrepreneur, I have to work from home many times. I have the data coming in, I can interact with my team also. So there is a balance of work as well as family which is happening simultaneously because of this technology. For a multitasking woman entrepreneur, Zoho Books is a boon.